Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Princess Diaries cover on Dress to Impress. Just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. I'm gonna just use this updo here with no bangs, and I just used this brown color. For the headphones, I just colored this in all black, positioned it the same, and scaled it to 0.35 because they are smaller. You do need VIP for this, but I used these glasses here in all black. No adjustments made. And then for the crown, go to VIP and color this color DFCEC2. This one. In the first toggle, position the Y 0.61, Z 0.57, rotate the X to 0.47, and scale it to 0.35. Then for the gloves, I just used, these ones in no fur. Now I also use these shoes in white and then the same color as the crown. And then white again. For the dress, you can use anything, but I just use this VIP one because it has the same like top and all white. But you can use something else if you don't have this dress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.